Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use DeepSeek in VsCode. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here at deepseek.com if you have not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You can get started with logging into your account. So if you have not already, go ahead and create a new account because to do this, you're going to need an account. So after doing so and logging in, you'll be greeted by this main menu right here, where now we can get started opening up the chat and using DeepSeek. So let's go and take a look at how we can get started with using it in VS Code. Basically, as you can see in this article right here, there is a step-by-step on how to run DeepSeek locally in VS Code. And what we're going to go and be using, guys, is Olema. So Olema is an option that we are going to go and be using. This is a program that's going to enable us to run DeepSeek locally. As you can see, we can run DeepSeek R1. So you can download it for your computer, either Windows, Linux, Mac OS, doesn't matter. You can download for whichever platform you have. And once you have downloaded, you can go ahead and run it. So after that, you can follow all the steps right here. You'll be able to install CodeGPT into your Visual Studio Code. So you'll be able to go ahead and use that as well. So with Olema and CodeGPT installed, we are now ready to download and configure DeepSeek and start coding with AI locally. So what you can do is follow the rest of the steps right here to take a look at how you can get started with downloading DeepSeek. So by following all the steps right here, you can get started with inputting it into your VS Code and using it locally. So get started with Olema and DeepSeek and get it for yourself. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.